The whole attention of the world at the moment is focused on Ukraine, including, by the way, my organization. Today, as we speak now, 3 million refugees have crossed the borders of Ukraine. So understandably, there is a lot of interest. There is also a very dangerous war. There is a huge humanitarian crisis. But my message coming here is also, don't forget the other situations where attention and resources are needed. And Afghanistan is one of them. There are many complex issues. We all know them. Concerning rights, concerning women, minorities, education. The discussion is possible on all of them, and it is very frank and open. And I think there is a strong awareness among the de facto authorities that these are the areas around which the international community and especially the donors expect progress.